Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to download and install VMware Player 17. Let's begin. First, open any browser and just type this keyword. Okay, then you will see some results. You have to look for the first one. And then when you open in a new tab, you will find this kind of page. Here we have this products menu. Click on it. Then come downside, you have this link workstation player. Click on it. Then you will be redirected on a new page. Here we have VM Workstation Player download link, which is the non-commercial version. Okay, so we are good to go. Click on this download for free button. After that, a new page will be opened. So at this page, we have older versions also available. If you have a specific choice of any version, you can select the drop down and go for that. But here we are going to download the very latest one. So click on this link, go to downloads. Okay, then you will see the list of some available products for the download. So we have two here. For first one for the Linux 64-bit and the second one is for the Windows 64-bit operating system, and this is our target. The size is 540.19 MB and the file type is exe. That's great. In front of that we have this button. Just click once and soon you will see the downloading will start. This time my PC showing me like only 2 minutes required to download. If you have a very good bandwidth of network, so this will be downloaded within 1 minute. Once the downloading is finished, you will see one exe on your system like this. And here we have to simply double click on it. Then we will be entered into the setup mode. So wait for a few seconds, then you will see this kind of window, user account control. So click on the yes. So we have downloaded this from the trusted source. After that, you will see this splash screen Workstation Player 17 going to be ready for the first time installation on your system. Then we will see the Windows installer very first window. Welcome, click next. And this will show you the terms and end user license agreement conditions. There's a terms and condition page, so you can visit. After that, you can check this box. Click next, and this is showing some information, the compatibility. So some hardware is detected, so this want to enable hypervisor platform installation automatically. So we have checked this box, otherwise we have to install it separately. So go with the checkbox. Click next. Okay, then you will see the custom setup page. So basically the files are going to set up inside your C drive, inside the program files. So leave this thing as it is, click next. And this is for the product updates. So two boxes are checked, so leave as it is. Then you will have the option if you want to place the shortcut icon on the desktop, or you want to add a shortcut in the start menu, then you can check it. Click next. Finally, we are ready to install. Click on the install button. After that, you will see this status progress here. So this process is very fast, and this will not take much time. Within a minute, all the files will be unzipped and will be set up on your machine, and this VMware will be in activated state. So you can launch it then and you can use it. So we will wait for the completion of this progress bar. Finally, we will get this kind of window, the message setup is completed. Okay, if you want to go with the pro version, so you have to put the license, otherwise you can click on the finish button. Now we need to launch the VMware instance which we have just installed. To do that, now go to the Windows search, type VMware, then you will get this option. Click, you will get this window. This will ask you that you are going to use a non-commercial version or you want to put the license key if you want to use a pro version. So we are going with the non-commercial version. Okay, click next. And then you will see the VMware in front of you. Now you are ready to create a new virtual machine, and you can mount any operating system that you want to run with this virtual machine. Just click on this link, and here we have the option like from which source you want to install. If you have the ISO version of the Windows or Linux or any other operating system you want to set up, so just use the browse button and select it and proceed for the installation and set up the virtual machine. So guys, this is all about the downloading and installation of the VMware Workstation 17 player on Windows 11. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to learn more. And for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.